Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm JC, the water aficionado, and today we're diving into an issue that affects millions of homes across the country: hard, chlorinated tap water. You may not even realize it, but the water coming from your tap could be damaging your home, your health, and costing you a lot more than it should. So let's break down what hard water and chlorine are doing to your water system and exactly what you can do about it. First, let's talk about hard water. Hard water is water that contains high levels of dissolved minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. These minerals are naturally picked up as the water passes through rock and soil on its way to your home. While they aren't harmful to drink, they can cause some major headaches in your plumbing and appliances. So hard water causes limescale buildup, which is that crusty white deposit that you might see on your faucets, your shower heads, and even in your pipes. And over time, this buildup can reduce water flow, clog pipes, and damage appliances like dishwashers and water heaters. If you've ever noticed your dishes coming out of the dishwasher with spots or felt like your clothes just aren't getting as clean, that's probably hard water at work. It's estimated that hard water affects nearly 85% of homes in the United States. Now let's move on to chlorine. Most municipal water systems add chlorine to tap water as a disinfectant to kill bacteria and other harmful organisms. While chlorine is effective at making water safe to drink, it can have unintended consequences. Chlorine in tap water can react with organic matter and form harmful compounds called trihalomethanes, which have been linked to certain cancers and reproductive issues. Even at low levels, chlorine can dry out your skin and hair, cause irritation, and even give your water an unpleasant taste and smell. Have you ever smelled chlorine when you run your faucet or felt like your skin is dry after a shower? That's the chlorine working its way into your everyday routine. Now here's where it gets even more concerning. Hard water and chlorine together. Chlorine can react with the minerals in hard water, making it even more damaging. The combination leads to faster mineral buildup in pipes and appliances, worsening the damage and leading to costly repairs. Even more, it makes your soap and detergent less effective, meaning you have to use more products just to get the same result. Plus, chlorine evaporates when heated. So when you take a hot shower, you could be breathing the chlorine vapors, which isn't great for your lungs either. While hard water doesn't pose a direct health risk, the chlorine and the interaction with minerals can take a toll on your skin and hair. Over time, chlorine exposure can lead to dry, irritated skin, scalp issues, and even exacerbate conditions like eczema. Drinking chlorinated water also increases your intake of harmful disinfection byproducts like the trihalomethanes we talked about earlier, or THMs for short. So if you've been dealing with itchy skin or flat hair, it could be your water. Fortunately, there are solutions to protect your home and your health. Let's take a look at some of the most effective ones. The obvious one is to install a water softener. A water softener is the best defense against hard water. By using an ion exchange water softeners from your water supply, reducing the damage to your pipes, your fixtures, and your appliances. It also makes your water feel softer on your skin, helping to prevent dryness and irritation. Use a whole house activated coconut shell carbon filtration for the chlorine. So if chlorine is your concern, a whole house filtration system can remove chlorine and other harmful contaminants from all the water in your house. A top of the line system like Kinetico not only softens the water, but it also filters out chemicals, leaving you with clean, safe water. The third thing you could do is install a point of use filter or reverse osmosis. The K5 by Kinetico is a smart choice. If you're not ready for a whole house system, a point of use filter like one installed under your sink can help purify your drinking and cooking water. These systems are great for targeting chlorine and other chemicals, giving you safer water for you. Hard chlorinated water can be a major issue, but with the right solutions, you can protect your home, your health, and save money in the long run. If you're dealing with these problems, now is the time to take action. And if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on home improvement and healthy living, and leave a comment. What kind of water filtration system do you use in your home?